Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 90 Summary. Starting off in this first clip, we can see the Ukrainians striking Russian units near a mine in Marinka, which is a town near the city of Donetsk. As we can see in this part of the clip, the drone is surveying the area, and we can see that there was some kind of small explosion that occurred in the center of the screen. Russian forces have made no progress in the area of Marinka or Donetsk and Luhansk as a whole, as they've been largely stalled along these areas. However, there has been a minor breakthrough near the village of Popasna, which is heading towards the major highway that heads to Severodonetsk. The Ukrainians are trying to currently hold up that position and make sure the Russians can no longer advance, but we don't have a lot of news as to the progress of that, although we can see that the front line has not developed over the past 2 days. As we can see, one of the tanks has now been hit by a Stugna, as we can see there on the camera. It appears that we're watching a replay of that tank getting hit. And we can see that there's some black smoke coming off of it, which does suggest that something is on fire and the tank may begin brewing up soon. Now we can see the tank well on fire. Once again, another instant campfire, created free on the courtesy of the Russians. Here in this next clip, we can see another Stugna attack. This one was conducted by the 54th Brigade today, and we can see another direct hit and another Russian vehicle destroyed. In this last clip, we can see a montage of the destruction that the 228th Territorial Defense Force Brigade has caused in the area of Kharkiv over the past week. As you can see, a large amount of vehicles have been abandoned in the field, and this brigade has been doing an impressive job. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because these videos come out every single day on this channel, and we also run nightly streams every day of the week except for Mondays at 10 p.m. Eastern Time, covering the past 24 hours of the war. We also run a fundraiser every Sunday for a non-profit that is currently operating inside of Ukraine. Thank you all once again, and I'll see you all in the next one.